Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating anatomy of one of nature's most resilient predators, the hyena. Often misunderstood, hyenas are remarkable creatures with unique adaptations that have allowed them to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. In this documentary, we'll explore their anatomical structure, from their powerful jaws to their unique reproductive systems, and uncover what makes them such effective hunters and survivors. Our journey begins with the hyena's skull. Hyenas possess one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom, capable of crushing bones with ease. This strength comes from their robust skull structure and powerful jaw muscles, which allow them to consume virtually every part of their prey. We'll use detailed anatomical models to illustrate the mechanics of their bite and how it contributes to their role as scavengers and predators. Next, we explore the spine and limb anatomy of hyenas. Their spinal structure is highly flexible, enabling swift movements and powerful running capabilities. The unique sloping back, caused by longer forelimbs and shorter hind limbs, gives them a distinctive gait. This segment will include slow-motion footage of hyenas in motion, highlighting their agility and endurance in the wild. Hyenas have a highly efficient digestive system designed to extract maximum nutrients from their food. Their stomachs are highly acidic, capable of breaking down bone material, which is a critical adaptation for their scavenging lifestyle. We'll delve into the anatomy of their digestive tract, and explain how it supports their diet. The sensory organs of hyenas are finely tuned for hunting and scavenging. Their keen sense of smell and excellent night vision allow them to locate prey and carrion in the dark. We'll examine the structure of their eyes and olfactory system, using animations to show how these senses work together. Hyenas are known for their complex social structures and vocal communication. We'll look at the anatomy of their vocal cords and how they produce a range of sounds for communication within their clans. This segment will feature real-life footage of hyena interactions and the sounds they use to communicate. Finally, we'll explore the unique reproductive anatomy of hyenas, particularly the female's pseudopenis, which plays a role in social hierarchy and reproduction. We'll discuss the challenges this presents for birthing and how hyenas have adapted to ensure the survival of their young. Hyenas are incredible examples of evolutionary adaptation, with anatomical features that equip them perfectly for their ecological niche. By understanding their anatomy, we gain a deeper appreciation for these resilient and intelligent animals. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of hyenas.